I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic margarita without triple sec. Many classic margarita recipes call for this orange liqueur, but it's absolutely possible to craft a delicious, balanced drink using other ingredients. We'll focus on achieving that perfect sweet and sour harmony, ensuring your homemade margarita is just as enjoyable, if not more so, than the traditional version. Get ready to mix up something wonderful. The key to replacing triple sec sweetness and a hint of orange is choosing the right alternative. Simple syrup, a 1-to-1 mixture of sugar and water, is a fantastic neutral option. For a more natural and slightly richer flavor, agave nectar works beautifully. You can also add a small splash of fresh orange juice to mimic that citrus essence without the liqueur. These options give you great control over the sweetness. Achieving a perfectly balanced margarita is all about the interplay of sweet and sour. Since we're omitting triple sec, fresh lime juice becomes even more critical for that vibrant, tangy kick. Don't be afraid to taste and adjust your sweetener as you go. A good quality tequila, whether Blanco or Reposado, will also shine through, providing the foundational flavor for your delicious, customized cocktail. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. In a shaker, combine 2 ounces of your favorite tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 ounce of simple syrup or agave nectar. Add ice, shake vigorously until well chilled, then strain into a glass filled with fresh ice. Garnish with a lime wedge. Feel free to adjust the sweetness to your preference. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, triple sec-free margarita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.